everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new, my name is Robin. If you guys are a fan of my relaxing cleaning videos, then I have another one for you today. As wives and moms, May can be a really busy time of year, almost as much as December, and so many of you might be playing catch up just like I am. I was on a trip recently to visit our friends and family in North Carolina, and then when we got back, we had friends visiting for Memorial Day, and so a lot of things in our home got put on hold, and it's time to try to get back on schedule. But I would like to be kind to myself and not feel like I'm in a frenzy, so I'm trying to approach these tasks just little by little. I know I'll get on top of them eventually, and just sort of enjoy the process, not be too rushed or stressed over it. And so in today's video, I'm not going to do quite as much talking and a voiceover, and just try to let you guys enjoy cleaning along with me and listening to some relaxing music. The first thing I plan to do is get some ironing done, and I have some very easy ironing. It's mostly napkins and placemats. I think I have one pair of shorts to do, but I actually find this task really relaxing. And a company called A-Box just sent me this new garment steamer, which I am enjoying very much. So if you guys are in the market for a steamer, it also acts as an iron, then this one might be worth checking out, and I will have it in my Amazon store, and you can find the link for that in the description box below. Not only did this work really well as a steam iron, but it is a fantastic vertical garment steamer as well. And I'm so excited that I can use this to replace my old iron and steamer, which left a lot of water spots on my clothes. Before I start dinner, my goal is just to get the living room clean. And I know that sometimes it is very tempting to just put these things off at the end of a busy day and a busy week. But just taking 15 or 20 minutes to get one room, like our living room, complete before starting dinner will make my evening so much more relaxing. It really feels good to have a clean and tidy living room for us to enjoy after dinner. And while dinner's in the oven, I'm just going to use my time to unload the dishwasher and clean up the dishes that I use for dinner prep. Because I took the time while dinner was in the oven to clean up the items that I use for prep, cleaning up the kitchen after dinner will be very easy, and Peyton has already volunteered to do that for me so I can have a break. And so it's the end of my day, and I hope that this gave you guys a lot of motivation for cleaning when you're really not feeling up to it. Maybe just a relaxing Clean With Me video is just what you need to get you motivated. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And when you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell icon so that you're notified each time I upload a new video so you won't miss out on anything. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video.